Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, get your paper ready. Top right-hand corner, you're going to put your first and last name, today's date, and your period that you're in. And the title is going to be analogies, and I did not write analogies on there. Let me do that really quick. Set 3, 1 through 5. So it should look just like that. Okay. And then I have also started my first analogy, which is police officer is to enforce. Now we're going to look over here, and the keywords bridge sentence helps us, and we're looking for a function. So the function of a police officer is to enforce. So let's look at our answer choices. Is the function of a father to teach? They do, some don't. Is the function of a television to inform? Not always, sometimes it's to entertain. Is the function of a judge to uphold? Yes, judge has to uphold the law. Is the function of a politician to destroy? No, the function of a politician is not to destroy. So our best answer choice is C. So go ahead and finish that analogy by putting in your police officer is to enforce as judge is to uphold. And I'm going to try circling it today. And we need a brighter color so y'all can see it. There we go. Okay, so we went ahead and finished our analogy, and then we're going to write our keywords bridge sentence, which is the function of a police officer is to enforce. You're just copying this down right here. And then we're going to go ahead and write our answer bridge sentence, which is the function of a, and then our answer words go in there. Judge is to uphold. And we're going to go ahead and highlight. So highlight the answers, the words in your keywords, the keywords in your bridge sentence, and then your answers in your answer bridge sentence. Highlight those one color. And then I want you to highlight in a different color the relationship or a type. So in this case, it is function. Okay, let's go ahead and do number 2. So go ahead and write down toxic is to radiation. Okay, so toxic is to radiation as, let me get this up here. We're looking for a characteristic. So toxic is a characteristic of radiation. So is friendly a characteristic of enemy? No. Is charitable a characteristic of thief? No. Charitable means to give, thief is to take. Is combustible a characteristic of gasoline? Yes. And is thrifty a characteristic of queen? Thrifty means to not spend very much. So no, queens usually have a lot of money and they like to spend things. So our best answer choice is going to be C. Let me grab this. And you're going to go ahead and finish that analogy there. You're going to go ahead and write your keywords bridge sentence and your answer bridge sentence. Highlight the keywords in your bridge sentence and then highlight the answers in your answer bridge sentence. And then in a different color, you're going to highlight the relationship or type. In this case, it is characteristic. Okay, so that's what it should look like. Your relationship or type is in the middle here on this one. So kind of keep your highlights the same color if you're going to do your relationship all the same color, and then your answer bridge sentence and your keyword bridge sentence the same too. Okay, so let's go ahead and write down number 3. Trivial is to important or importance. Okay, so trivial is to importance. And if we go to our keywords bridge sentence over here, this is our clue. Trivial is something that lacks, or something trivial lacks importance. So that means it doesn't have. So is something vicious? Does it lack energy? No. Something vicious usually has a lot of energy. Is something cumbersome? Lack ease? Look that word up. That's an interesting word. Does something grateful lack admiration? No. If you're grateful, you have admiration. Is something feminine? Does it lack detail? No. So cumbersome means something that's very hard to do, a very big job, where ease means it's simple. So this is going to be your best answer. So something cumbersome lacks ease. That means it does not have, it's not easy. So let's go ahead and write that in there. And go ahead and finish up your keywords bridge sentence and answer bridge sentence and get those words highlighted. And go ahead and try number 4 and 5 on your own. And I will help you with those tomorrow if you get stuck.